Alright guys, you asked for it, so I'm about to show you my favorite places inside Paris. I'll be honest, most of my favorite places are outside of Paris because look at this view, guys. Just the Eiffel Tower is so fun to see. I have so many of the same pictures. I love their frozen cocktails here. For those of you that have never been to Vegas, Vegas has these huge drink holders. So this actually comes with something to wrap around your neck and you just carry it around like that for the whole day. You can get this one at Beer Park, and Beer Park is one of my go-to spots because they have all kinds of beer here. It's open aired, and if you look over the balcony, you'll be able to see Bellagio's fountains. So that is always fun to just hang out with your friends and watch the water show while drinking beers from all over the world. Right underneath Beer Park is Alexa's. I don't usually go here, but they do have bottomless mimosas that look really pretty, but my restaurant is right across the way. I'm gonna take you underneath here. It is Mon Ami Gabi, and I always sit right out here on the patio because while you're eating dinner or lunch or whatever, you can usually get at least 3 Bellagio water fountain shows in, and there's just something about this place that is so classy and it's really affordable, so you can just sit out there for like an hour and a half or so, enjoy yourself, relax, and get some really good food. As you walk inside Paris, it's going to be right on the left-hand side, and as you can see, it's a popular place for a lot of people. This front bar is really nice. The bartenders make really good cocktails here, really nice martinis. So if you're looking for a classy like date place or just like a place to go with your girls, this is the place, trust me. Paris itself does a really good job of looking like Paris, France. And they've got like dancing showgirls on top of the slot machines. They've got lampposts. All of the casino is underneath the Eiffel Tower, so I really like how they incorporated the legs of the Eiffel Tower into the casino itself. So you really feel like you're sitting underneath the Eiffel Tower and looking up into the sky, so it's a really cool feature. They also have French flags everywhere just to remind you you are in a little piece of France. And while you're here, make sure you make a wish and throw it in this fountain. If you're looking for some really unique souvenirs, this is the stop for you. They've got all kinds of Parisian souvenirs that also say Las Vegas on it. They're really classy and really pretty, and it's really a part of Vegas worth taking home with you. They've even got coffee cups, jewelry, t-shirts, like you name it, they've got it. I really like their wine glasses here. Another favorite area within Paris Casino and Hotel is the reception area. I mean, check out these chandeliers. How classy do you feel at check-in? Like, it makes you feel so special. The bar in front of reception is also where I have a lot of photos because check out these chairs. They have like a corset on them. So it's really cool. It's really unique, guys. Like, this place is so cool. You're gonna spend so much time here just looking around and being like, whoa, cool, cool. I mean, even the floor makes you feel like you're walking through the streets of Paris. They kind of have a cobblestone vibe to them. And wait until you see les toilettes. Yes, I said the bathroom. The bathroom here is so neat. Like, don't you feel like you're in someone's little garden or within their mansion in Paris, just kind of, you know, washing your hands? Anyways, you guys will all agree with me that Vanderpump is so cool. Like, think about having all your girls here and just chilling over some cocktails or even just having a drink by yourself. I'll come and sit at the bar all the time, and I try to try a different cocktail every time I'm here. It's always such a cool vibe. You've got a mix of dates and girls trips and bachelorette parties. And now I'm going to take you into the back of Paris. This is another like cobblestone street area where you feel like you're walking through the streets of Paris. And this is Martha Stewart's new restaurant. It looks really nice. It's very white and black. And she's got the copper pots there. It's very Martha Stewart-y. So I'm excited to try it out sometime. I didn't make it there this trip, but I'll leave the menu to let you know what it has on it. But otherwise, as you walk past, you're gonna see a bunch of little shops, and it really feels like at any moment someone might peek out their window above and wave hello at you. And this street goes all the way back. It actually connects into the horseshoe next door. So as you walk past, you'll see like a pizza place. They have a little creperie. There's coffee shops back here. Then they have Napoleon's Bar, which is like a piano cocktail lounge. But the Paris Casino really does make you feel like you're in another world. I mean, looking around, you would think you're in Europe somewhere, you know, with all the decorations and the blue sky. You forget that you're in Las Vegas. Plus, everything is all like embroidered and it's lush and it has velvet and a lot of burgundy and French colors all over the place. Velvet drapes in there. So I feel like every time I go to Paris, I always see something different that I never saw before. And they always have little pop-up things too. But one thing that is always here is this monument, and I don't know why I like it so much, but I just always take a picture with it whenever I'm here. It just feels very historical. But also back here, just so you know, this is where the theater is, and there's also the parking garage. So if you're entering from the parking garage, this is where it's going to drop you off. All right, that's it for Paris, and now we're going on to the horseshoe. If you like this video, hit that subscribe, hit that like, and check out my other videos. I've got plenty of Las Vegas for you. I go there all the time, so if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments, and I will answer them as soon as I can. All right, see you in the next video.